Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with diuretics. This is part 2. In part 1st we already seen the detailed introduction, classification, mechanism of action of diuretics. In this part we are going to deal with detailed monograph of diuretic drugs. Myself, Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gowdi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and lecturer in K.K. Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandore. First of all, we see what is the learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will able to name the diuretic according to IUPAC system, to recognize the diuretic drug on the basis of their structure, physical property, and to recognize the diuretic drugs on the basis of official preparation and uses. Now let's start with individual monograph. Drug is chlorothiazide. Chemistry, it is 1,2,4 benzothiadiazine, thiazide or benzthiazide derivative. It is low selling diuretics. Chemically it is differ from hydrochlorothiazide in having double bond between 3 and 4 position. That means in hydrochlorothiazide there is an absence of double bond between 3 and 4 position. Properties, it occurs as white crystalline powder which is odorless and has bitter taste. Solubility, it is very slightly soluble in water. Storage and stability condition, it is stored in well-closed container. Uses, it is used as a diuretic. It is also used to treat edemas associated with congestive heart failure, cirrhosis of liver and renal diseases. It is also used for management of hypertension. It is also used to prevent renal stone formation as it reduces excretion of calcium in the urine. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of tablet and the brand name is Saluric. Then next drug is hydrochlorothiazide. Chemistry, it is a thiazide, that means 1,2,4 benzothiadiazine derivative, in which the position 2, 3 and 4 are saturated. Benzothiadiazine is a fused ring system in which benzene ring is fused at 5 to 6 position of the thiadiazine heterocycle. Since the position of sulfur and 2 nitrogen atom in the ring are 1, 2, 4 respectively, and the position 2 is saturated, it is called as 2H1,2,4 benzothiadiazine. In hydrochlorothiazine, position 3 and 4 are also saturated. Hence, the basic ring is called as 3,4-dihydro-2H1,2,4 benzothiadiazine. It contains chloro group at 6 position, sulfoamyl group at 7 position. This is the structure showing 2H1,2,4 thiadiazine. That means in this, at one position there is a presence of sulfur element, then at 2 position, 2 and 4 position, here 2 nitrogen groups are present and position 2 is saturated. This is the structure of hydrochlorothiazide, in which there is sulfoamyl group is present at 7 position and chloro group is present at 6 position. Chemical name is 6-chloro-3,4-dihydro-7 sulfoamyl 2H1,2,4 benzothiadiazine 1,1-dihydroxide. Property, it occurs as white crystalline powder which is odorless and has bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water. Storage condition, it is stored in well-closed container. Uses, it is used as a diuretic. It is also used to treat edemas associated with congestive heart failure, cirrhosis of liver and renal function. For the management of hypertension, it is also used to prevent renal stone formation as it reduces excretion of calcium in the urine. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of tablet and the brand names are Budurate and Ezidrex. Now next drug is benzthiazide. Chemistry, it is a thiazide derivative and chemically differ from hydrochlorothiazide in having double bond between 3 and 4 position and benzyl thiomethyl group at 3 position. Properties, it occurs as fine white crystalline powder having characteristic taste. It is practically insoluble in water. It is not affected by air and light, therefore it should be stored in well-closed container. Uses, it is used as diuretic to treat edemas associated with congestive heart failure, cirrhosis of liver and renal diseases, and for the management of hypertension. It is also used to prevent renal stone formation. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of tablet and the brand names are Exena and Aquatag. Next drug is ethacrynic acid. Chemistry, it is phenoxyacetic acid derivative and contains alpha-beta unsaturated keto group at para position, and it is the one of the example of high selling diuretic. Properties, it is white crystalline powder, odorless and has bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol, ether and chloroform. Stability and storage condition, it is non-hygroscopic and relatively stable in light and at room temperature, hence it is stored in well-closed container. Uses, it is a potent diuretic and used to treat different types of edemas. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of ethacrynic acid tablet, sodium ethacrynate injection, and the brand names are Edecrine. Next drug is mannitol. It is also called D-mannitol. This is the structure of mannitol. It is the example of osmotic diuretics. It is hexahedric alcohol and is isomeric with sorbitol. Chemically, it is 1,2,3,4,5,6 hexahydroxyhexane. Properties, it is an odorless white crystalline powder having sweetish taste. It is freely soluble in water but very slightly soluble in alcohol. It is soluble in alkaline solutions. It gets filtered through glomerulus but is reabsorbed in the negligible amount through urinary tubules. It gives hexaacetic acid when warmed with acetic chloride in presence of pyridine. Stability and storage, it is the stable compound, hence it is stored in well-closed container. Uses as diuretic, as a diagnostic agent, to treat edematous state, to reduce rise intracranial and intraocular pressure, for irrigation of bladder, for the preparation of bowel, for the barium enemas, and as a diluent and excipients. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of mannitol injection, mannitol and sodium chloride injection, and the brand name is Esmitrol. Last drug from the diuretics is urea. It is also called carbamide. It is an osmotic diuretic. It is a diamide of carbonic acid. This is the structure of urea. Diamide of carbonic acid. Physical property, it occurs as colorless, transparent prismatic crystals. It is odorless and has cooling and saline taste. It is slightly hygroscopic. It is freely soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. It develops a slight odor of ammonia on standing. It is poorly absorbed through urinary tubules. Chemical property. When it is heated with water under pressure, it decomposes to give ammonia and carbon dioxide. Urea plus water, when heated under pressure, it gives carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of ammonia. Second chemical property, it oxidizes by sodium hypobromide or hypochlorite solution in coal to give nitrogen and carbon dioxide. This is urea NH2CONH2 plus sodium hypobromide. When it is reacted, oxidation takes place and it gets converted into sodium bromide plus water molecule plus carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Third test, it is a very weak base and combined with 1 molecules of monobasic acid to give crystalline salt. When urea is treated with monobasic acid, means hydrochloric acid, it gives water soluble salt, and when it is treated with nitric acid, it gives water insoluble salt. Fourth chemical property, when urea is heated slightly above its melting point, it gives biuret with evolution of ammonia. The biuret form gives violet color with the copper sulfate solution in alkaline medium. That is called biuret test. Uses, as it is used as an osmotic diuretic to treat dry skin condition due to moisturizing effect, to treat eczema in combination with hydrocortisone, to treat skin ulceration due to antimicrobial and deodorant property, as an antipyretic, to control cerebral edemas, to get relief from headache and vomiting due to increased intracranial pressure. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of urea injection, urea cream, urea and hydrocortisone cream. Brand name Cortaril H and Trazyn. Thank you dear student for attending the session. Thank you.